Hi everyone, my name is Neerja Bhandari and thank you for joining us today. So we've been regularly asked about intra-company transferee or ICT as people call it, and what does it entail, what does it mean, and what kind of application this is all about. So intra-company transferee is based on the international treaty based on GATS, which is General Agreement for Trade and Services. It is between two companies which have offices in Canada and any other country that it has. So generally we do it for production companies, construction companies, IT companies do it the most. And IT companies have offices all over the world, and America, India, Canada, they go under these treaties. So you can bring people from the management level to people who are going to help in the managerial jobs, or people with specialized knowledge who would come and help the economic growth of the Canadian company for the sister company from back home. So I've been doing these applications from India for Canada. So the IT companies will bring their specialized knowledge people, say the system analysts, web developers, who will come here and give the specialized knowledge to the workers here, develop a team and develop the jobs and the customer line for the people who are in Canada. So this does not need LMIA, that is the Labour Market Impact Assessment, because this is not hampering the labour market in Canada. This is where the company is just using the treaty to bring in the workers from their sister concern from other countries, to bring in the specialized knowledge and their enhanced skills so that the Canadians can enjoy it and the company can grow, company can be economically more beneficial, and then employ more Canadians when they are economically growing. So this benefits foreign nationals in a way that they can come to Canada on work permits, which is temporary for 2 years or 3 years, and depending on their category in which they came, gain points for Canadian Experience class. And if you came as a specialized knowledge worker, you get 50 points for having the employment offer. And if you came as a CEO of the company or in some managerial post, you get up to 200 points for the same job offer, and you can claim that for your express entry. So intra-company transfer is a very interesting way of coming to Canada as a foreign worker, where you do not need the labour market impact assessment, just a job offer from your sister concern that you're working in the home country. So generally the intra-company transferees are given a 2-year contract or a 3-year, and depending on the visa that they get, they can be here in Canada for 2 or 3 years. So you might have to go back after 2 years if the company does not renew it. But in the meantime, you have already collected minimum 1 year work experience, which is Canadian experience. So accumulative with your foreign work experience, your education, language skills, age, and getting the adaptability points for having the Canadian experience, you make a very strengthful and a happy file. So don't miss on that opportunity if you're getting the opportunity of coming to Canada as an ICT, that is the intra-company transferee, because even if the company does not renew your contract, you will still gain that 1 year experience, 2 years experience. 1 year experience gives you 40 points, and 2 year experience gives you up to 65 points. That's a huge jump in your points as Canadian Experience class holder. And if you do it after 1 year, you can, because your 1 year job offer is still valid, you can claim it as existing job offer to get those 50 points if required. Hope this helps you, and if you have any questions, forward them to us and we'll try and answer you in our next video. Thank you.